Modern Miss Huxtables, coming to you again from Shelter in Place in Colorado Springs. This video, I'm going to show you all how I do it's very simple wrap using Wrap Life's head wrap. So this is a incredible company. I love their products. They sell a variety of different style hair wraps to be used for any type of hair, really. I have, of course, a million colors. So I have the black, I have, I'll put the actual names of the colors in the description box, but this kind of deep burgundy fuchsia, this mustard yellow, and then this pumpkin deep orange. This is probably my favorite color. I love this. I love the way orange just pops on my skin color, like warm red brown tones. I love. So I haven't opened this one yet, but this is how they come. They come in the sleeve like this. And for a while they would just be sold out. They wouldn't have this color. They'd be sold out of almost all of this particular style of the wrap, which is the one that I prefer. And to be honest, I tried to like go to beauty supplies, go to fabric stores, look for other alternatives, but this type of fabric, the ribbing in it, as you can see here, the way it has like this kind of flowy ribbed material is just so effortless for doing wrap styles. I have a lot of African wax print that I will use, or wax fabric, to tie up my hair in, and I have some that even has wire inside of it so it can be twisted into a headband more easily. But I really like the Wrap Life's product for doing styles like this. In the winter, when I don't feel like doing my hair, when my hair is in kind of, just a messy, tangled bun look, top knot look, if it's down, it's just, I can cover all of my hair, I can cover parts of my hair. It's just super simple. So I'm going to do one of the wraps that I like best, that's easiest, that I can do with my hair straight or curly. But I definitely recommend checking out the Wrap Life's Instagram page, because they have video tutorials and also videos of people wearing the wraps in different styles in relationship to their different haircuts. So if I had a more shorter cropped curly fro, it looks so regal and elegant to do the tie that I'm going to show you, and the hair is just up and curly and regal, crowning the head behind the wrap. But my hair isn't that length, or it's not in that style anymore. But okay, so this is what I do for that particular wrap. So it's really long, which is great. Take it behind the head and I put it into a knot like this. The fabric is stiff enough that it will give you good hold, but also doesn't give you headaches or isn't too tight. Okay, so a knot. Then I twist. So just a 2-strand twist, basically. You don't even need to know how to braid. Just do the twist. So I twist it like this. Okay. So then, I'm just gonna tuck this. I'm gonna fold this, so we have a little bit of kind of a pompadour there where it's coming up, and then I'm going to just take those loose ends and tuck it into the back of what became a headband. So tuck this into here. Tuck it into the fabric and then set that on top. And that is it, y'all. So simple, so simple. So like I said, if I had my hair in a curly or cropped fro behind this, if I had my hair up in a top knot curly bun, if I wanted to do my hair even into like a low bun that was curly and just have this, it's so regal. Whenever I wear these, I get compliments. People ask me where I got them from, or like, how did you do that? It looks way more complicated and way more, I don't know, ornate and elaborate than what it actually is. So shout out to Wrap Life. They frequently have like 15% off sales or like bundle packages. So as I said, these are the 4 colors I have. I'll put them in the description box, and hope this was helpful and quick. Love y'all. See you next time.